Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure the keyboard has power. Low battery creates intermittent connections. Once the keyboard is on, open your tablet settings and switch Bluetooth on so the radio is active. Then, put the keyboard into pairing mode, often a dedicated pair button or FN plus another key, which signals the keyboard to advertise itself. Stay on the Bluetooth screen on your tablet while the keyboard LED blinks. This is essential because the tablet must discover the keyboard immediately for a smooth first-time handshake. Once the tablet discovers the keyboard, tap its name to initiate pairing. This starts the secure exchange that lets the tablet remember the device. If the tablet displays a PIN, type that exact code on the keyboard and press enter. This proves you control the input device and prevents random pairing. After pairing, make sure the tablet's keyboard layout and language match your keyboard's label so keys map correctly. If you change layout, test typing in a Notes app to confirm characters match expectations. You finish by confirming the tablet lists the keyboard as connected, and then type in a text field to validate input. Make sure Auto Reconnect or Trusted Device options are enabled so the tablet reconnects automatically next time, and keep the keyboard powered off only when not in use to save battery without breaking pairing. If the keyboard won't pair, unpair it on the tablet, perform a factory reset on the keyboard if available, and then repeat the pairing sequence. This clears stale profiles and usually resolves persistent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.